Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and I'm participating in an open invite DIY floral challenge. Boy, this is going to be interesting. It is hosted by Lindsay Dahmer and Heidi Sumbel. Now, if you're interested in finding out about this challenge, stick around. Okay guys, in this challenge, they do it annually, and what they're asking this time is for you to make a DIY piece for spring. Now here's their catch. You can't use real flowers and you can't use faux flowers. This is something you have to make on your own. You have to make your flowers. Well, I thought long and hard about this one because Stephanie cannot paint, cannot draw to save her life. So I couldn't draw a flower. I just not that creative. But I did come up with a way that I think will work for this challenge. So if you guys are interested in seeing what Stephanie came up with, stick around. Okay guys, now I'm doing this for the first time with you guys. This is something I was interested in trying to do my flower DIY. Now what I have is one of my yellow napkins, and I'm going to fold it this way. See if you can see. Yeah, fold it here, leaving some from the top and the sides. Okay, then we're going to fold here in the middle. Fold, 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 fold. I'm hoping it turns out like the ladies did in the video here. Then she took it here and she rolled from the end in. Okay, leaving out this much. Take this here, fold it around, and stick it in the side here. Hope this turns out okay. Take the top here, pull it. I think I didn't leave enough out. And you have a flower. I did it. So here is my floral DIY. I'm going to be making these napkins to go on my Easter tablescape. I'm glad it came out pretty. It came out so cute. I think next time I'll leave a little bit out more on the other side, but I think it came out really pretty, guys. So guys, if you did like my content and you learned a new way to fold a napkin, give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below here on the screen, and as well as down below in the description box below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you guys for watching, and I was being creative. And you guys be blessed.